At the first edition of the International Mountain Troops Summit, Thales introduced a new generation loitering munition, TOUTATIS, developed in partnership with the French company Aeromapper. This advanced system is designed for high-intensity operations, providing the French armed forces with an autonomous and precise strike capability, adaptable to complex environments, including those where communication and geolocation signals are disrupted. TOUTATIS enables troops, particularly in mountainous areas, to neutralize mobile targets without direct exposure, significantly enhancing both security and operational effectiveness. Modern technologies are rapidly changing the approach to military operations. One of the most notable examples of these innovations is the TOUTATIS system introduced by Thales. Designed to meet the requirements for rapid response in environments with significant natural and technological barriers, this system enables precise strikes against targets using autonomous drone solutions. TOUTATIS is ideal for operations in mountainous terrain, where traditional targeting methods and communication are often ineffective. The project represents a significant step in France's efforts to strengthen domestic loitering munition production. Although Thales was not selected for the Colibri program, the company continues to invest heavily in this field, developing independent solutions that exceed the original program's requirements. TOUTATIS was designed to ensure maximum mobility and operational speed. The system can be deployed from various platforms, including ground vehicles, portable launch tubes, helicopters, and other drones. Its compact size and ease of transport, thanks to its foldable wings, allow for rapid deployment in remote areas. Moreover, it can be used in environments where traditional communication and navigation systems are unavailable, making it invaluable in mountainous or otherwise inaccessible areas. Another significant advantage of TOUTATIS is its integration with other reconnaissance drone systems such as Spy Ranger, Noctua, and Grizzly. These systems can conduct surveillance and target identification before transmitting coordinates for a precise strike. This improves operational efficiency and accuracy, reducing the need for direct operator involvement on the battlefield. For troops operating in mountainous regions, TOUTATIS becomes an essential strategic tool. In such areas, traditional artillery is often limited, and the ability to transport heavy weaponry is severely restricted. The system's compactness, mobility, and rapid activation capabilities make it ideal for such environments. Additionally, its resistance to electronic interference allows it to operate effectively even in the absence of GPS and communication, which is particularly important at high altitudes. TOUTATIS is part of a broader technological innovation program that Thales is actively pursuing. The company is working on the development of autonomous drone systems that can perform missions without direct human control. As demonstrated in October 2024, these systems can significantly reduce operator workload while enhancing target acquisition and situational awareness. With TOUTATIS, Thales strengthens France's strategic autonomy by offering a high-tech solution for military operations in rapidly changing combat environments. This technology not only represents an innovative tool for mountain troops but also a key component in the future development of military technologies.